This is Hart Justine Salo, 18, representing the capital of the Orchid of the Philippines, Davao City. The Philippines have a population of 85.2 million, and the youth comprises more than 40% of the total population. But sad to say, the youth is also the reasons of our environmental issues today. And as one of the youngest candidates joining this pageant, I can use my voice to influence my fellow youth in advocating about taking care of our environment. We already have a lot of young activists who advocate in taking care of our environment. And I am here to advocate my fellow youth, but not just that, because I am also part of the youth. And I see this as an advantage because I can reach out to them and I know how they think, how they feel, and how they act. Thank you.
contestant number 16. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, this is your question. If you are going to preserve anything on earth, which one would you prioritize?
Everything on earth is indeed important because we need air, water to survive. So if I were able to choose anything from the earth, it would definitely all about the earth. Because everything is important. We all need it in order for us to be alive. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Our Miss Philippines Earth Mindanao Water 2023 is